What's going on, people? Today you'll learn how to unlock an iPhone from iCloud using iPhone servers. So if you have an iPhone that is iCloud locked, stay tuned. This unlocking method is untethered, meaning you will not have to connect your iPhone to a computer or something like that. You only need two phones, the one which is locked to iCloud and the second one which we're gonna use for unlocking. Now, the phone that you use for unlocking can be an iPhone or Android phone, it does not really matter. It just needs an internet connection. Okay, so let's start. To unlock this iPhone, we're gonna need to find out its IMEI number. Now, to find the IMEI number of this iPhone, I can just click back and this hello screen will show up. If it doesn't, you can try clicking a couple of times on the power button, turning the phone on and off, and it will definitely show up. Then in the bottom right corner, you'll see this blue info button. Click on it and the phone information screen will pop up. Now, what we need from here is the IMEI number. We're gonna write it down because we're gonna need it for unlocking. You can also find this IMEI number on various places, such as the back of the factory box. It's also written on the SIM tray slot of the iPhone, or you can simply dial *#06# and it will show up on your screen. Okay, once we have the IMEI number written down, we can simply turn off this phone to make it ready for unlocking. Now, let's unlock. On the other phone, open the browser and type in iPhoneservers.com. This is the website where unlocking is done. It's very simple to use. Just click on the Unlock Now button and you'll be asked for the model and the IMEI number of the phone. Here we write the IMEI number of the iPhone we're unlocking, and in the other section we're gonna choose the iPhone model. In my case, it is the iPhone XS Max. And then we're gonna click on Unlock Now. When this screen shows up, a QR code will be generated for your device. This is a special link that connects your unlocking request with the service. To proceed, click on the QR code. Now we have to verify the device information we submitted by installing one app from the verification list. If you're doing this from a laptop, you'll have to take your phone and scan the QR code. So that's why I recommend unlocking directly from the phone. Okay, so now I have to choose one of these apps, install it and run it for about 30 seconds, just like the instructions say. Make sure that you follow the steps correctly, because if you fail to do this, you will have to start all over again. So I'm installing this app and I'm gonna run it for 30 seconds, just enough for the verification to complete. Okay, so I've run the app for some time and now I'll open Safari to check the status of unlocking. As you can see, it says that my iPhone should be unlocked, so we're gonna power on the iPhone now and see what happens. Okay, so that's how you unlock your iPhone from iCloud, guys. This is the only latest method that works without paying anything or doing any hardware changes to your iPhone. If you're facing any problems, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.